Guys, it's a great Friday, October 22nd. Let's see, I got an email. Let's get back to this. This is an unboxing. The mailman just dropped it off. Let's see what it is. Didn't want to tear this up. I want to reuse this packaging. And I tore that up. Oh, what's in here? Oh, what's in here? Empty. This is live on camera. Okay. U.S. priority. Nothing in here. All right, here it is. What could that be? Oh my God. It's an Apple product. It is an Apple keyboard. Look how thin that is. Wow. Wow. It has little rubber things here. This is the Apple Bluetooth keyboard. I'm going to use this with my iPad because I've decided that sometimes I don't want to hold that 1 pound machine. It's a very beautiful machine. Let's pull the plastic off. This is all anodized aluminum. Let's see. So I'm going to be using my iPad and converting it into I guess a laptop. I know this one has the power button here, and I think the batteries go in here. I think there's 2 AA's that go in there. So there you go. This is going to be used, well, it could be used for this MacBook here. If I wanted to plug it up to a TV via HDMI. I don't know, I think that's a light. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I will be doing a review on this after I let it warm up. It seems to be, let me pan down. Every key seems to be working. So, stay tuned for the next video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more great videos and unboxings. Peace.